At Hoffman Megaplan, we are proud to have an assembly and pre-delivery inspection facility, which we know is simply unrivaled by any other garage equipment provider. The process starts with an internal order, which, dependent on the customer requirements, will be built to a specific configuration. One of our PDI engineers then assembles and tests the product before completing an in-depth checklist which covers items that we know aren't dealt with at main production facilities. Once ready for collection, one of our field technicians will collect the machines on their vehicle and transport them to site. This could be anywhere in the UK, including Highlands, Islands, and actually even mainland Europe. For our customer convenience, all of our vehicles are equipped with tail lifts. Once on site, our technician will liaise with staff to determine where the machines are to be located, removing any existing machines and ensuring the customer is happy with the positioning. The machines are then checked over once again and prepared for use, and we will then carry out expert training, which is often tailored to the type of customer and the nature of the business. This particular example, which is a brand new Arnold Clark multi-franchise dealership, demonstrates how our technician will spend as much time as needed to ensure all of the potential users are confident and competent in the use of the machines. As this was filmed in January 2021, you can see that social distancing measures were in place, and a thorough training session and certification was carried out despite the restrictions in place at the time. Not all installations are as straightforward as this. We've had to tackle staircases, remove doorways, and even reinstall services such as electric and compressed air supply in order to complete an installation. But regardless of what obstacles may be put in our way, our fantastic team at Hoffman Megaplan will always go that extra mile.